Imagine a YouTube channel that has crossed the threshold of 100 million subscribers. No, it's not a music sensation or a celebrity's vlog. It's a family channel, The Kids Diana Show. This incredibly successful venture features the charming antics of Diana and her brother Roma. Their journey from humble beginnings to YouTube stardom is nothing short of extraordinary. In the year 2015, a family decided to embark on an exciting new adventure. With a camera and their children's infectious laughter, they began to create content that would soon capture the hearts of millions around the globe. This was the birth of The Kids Diana Show. The channel showcased the everyday life of Diana and her brother Roma in the form of various challenges and activities. The children's natural charisma and genuine innocence resonated with viewers, leading to a rapid increase in the channel's popularity. As the subscriber count escalated, a surprising turn of events unfolded. The family's success began to afford them opportunities they had only dreamt of. They found themselves living in different countries, their lives irrevocably changed by the power of the digital world. In response to the growing demand, the family expanded their content to include spin-off channels in multiple languages. The Kids Diana Show became a global phenomenon, reaching audiences far and wide. Their success even led to lucrative product deals, further solidifying their status as YouTube sensations. However, the journey was not without its challenges. As the family navigated their newfound fame, questions surrounding the children's mental health and privacy began to surface. Concerns over child exploitation and the lack of legal protections for children in family vlogging channels were raised, casting a shadow over their achievements. Despite these challenges, the family remained steadfast, continuing to bring joy to their millions of viewers. Their story is a testament to the power of digital media and the potential it holds for those who dare to dream. To recap, The Kids Diana Show is a story of a family's journey from humble beginnings to extraordinary success. Their channel, which began as a simple family project, has grown into a global phenomenon, reaching over 100 million subscribers. Along the way, they have faced challenges concerning the implications of their children's fame, but they continue to thrive and inspire their viewers. Their story serves as a reminder of the transformative power of digital media, the potential it holds, and the challenges it presents. It's a story of innocence, joy, and resilience in the face of adversity. It's the story of The Kids Diana Show.